So hi guys, what's up? You watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In this video, I'll show you how to make this exact same holographic projector at your home under a minute. So let's get started. So guys, by the way, this is not just limited to this or even Pokemons. It can do a lot more stuff. So be sure to like, subscribe and share and continue to watch. So guys, first off, you need to draw this using basic geometry, and then you just need to cut this out. So let's do that. Take that out and keep it aside. Then take a cellophane sheet and trace this trapezium 4 times like this on a cellophane sheet so that these adjoining parts are just exact and they form this kind of a half octagon in between. Then let's cut that out, fold it accordingly and use a piece of small tape and just join it. So guys, this is the box that we actually require, and I don't know if you can see it correctly or not, but as you can see, that's the interesting shape, the interesting 3D shape that we've got. Now let's follow the instruction and I'll share my screen so that you know which YouTube video to play for this hologram part. So you can just search for hologram projector video and play any in which there are 4 such videos projecting at the same time. This is what we want. Shift it to landscape mode and you're all done. And so guys, as you can see, once we're done, we just need to place the thing on the phone like that and then play any such video. And as you can see, this looks really nice and cool, especially the hologram part. It looks great according to me. So if I just get the focus, I can literally put my hand right here, and now let me show you some great holographic shots that are worth trying out if you happen to make this. And guys, check this out. Believe it or not, this is indeed a hologram itself. This is not a mobile phone in front of me. This is actually a hologram itself. And once you see it in reality, it looks even better. It looks absolutely realistic. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed and thanks for watching.